In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom views in Zoho Books. This feature is incredibly useful for streamlining your workflow and keeping your data organized in a way that suits your specific needs. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each part so you can start using this tool effectively. Let's start by heading over to the Zoho Books website. You'll need to open your preferred web browser and type in the Zoho Books URL. Once you're on the Zoho Books homepage, the next step is to log into your account. You can do this by clicking on the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials, which might include your email and password, to access your account. Once you are on the Zoho Books home screen, you'll want to find and click on the Sales tab. This section houses all the sales related information and is where you'll begin creating your custom views. After clicking on Sales, look for the Active Customers option and select it. This will display a list of all your active customer accounts. It's important to note that focusing on active customers helps you keep your data relevant and manageable, especially if your business sees a lot of transactions. Now here's where the customization begins. Look for a button or link that says New Custom View. By clicking this, you open up an avenue to create a custom view tailored to the specific data sets or criteria you're interested in. It allows you to filter and arrange your customer data in a way that gives you the best insights for your needs. You can set various criteria, such as filtering by the status of customers or sorting them based on when they were created. Having this capability to create custom views is beneficial for a variety of reasons. It helps in quickly accessing crucial information, aids in better decision making, and can even help in tracking goals by monitoring specific data trends over time. Once you've set your criteria, you just have to save your new custom view. This way, the next time you access Zoho Books, your custom views will be readily available, making it easier to handle day-to-day business operations efficiently. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively create custom views in Zoho Books. This not only enhances your ability to manage data, but also optimizes how you interact with your customers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most of Zoho Books' capabilities. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.